Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! When you add pronouns to your Instagram profile, it allows people to know which pronouns to use when they communicate with you. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. I will show you the example. You can see there's pronouns on this Instagram profile. So you can go to your Instagram profile, tap on Edit Profile, tap on Pronouns over here. Now you can choose your pronouns to show to your Instagram profile. I will, as example, we choose she and her because I'm a girl. You can add up to 4 pronouns to your profile to help others refer to you. Pronouns you add will be displayed on your profile and won't be used to revert to you elsewhere on Instagram. You can also choose to make the pronouns on your profile visible only to people who follow you on Instagram by turning on the show to followers only. Right here. Click on the upper right corner. Now we're done. You can refresh your Instagram page. Now you can see there's a pronouns on your Instagram profile. So that is how to add pronouns to your Instagram profile. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!